Arro card annual fee changes in 2026 depend on the terms shown in your account agreement, because card fees can vary based on the offer and account details you receive. By the end, you'll know how to check whether your Arro card fee changed, why a fee adjustment may happen, and what options you have before paying the new cost. If you noticed a different annual fee on your Arro card, the first step is checking the latest fee information inside your Arro account, or the official notice sent by the company. The exact amount you pay should come from your current card agreement, not from older reviews or screenshots online. A fee increase does not always mean every cardholder receives the same change. Credit card companies can update terms for certain accounts, products, or future applicants. Your personal notice is the document that matters most. The next thing to check is what you receive in exchange for the fee. Look at the card's current benefits, account features, credit building tools, and any changes that were included with the updated terms. Compare those features against the yearly cost to decide whether keeping the card still makes sense. If the new fee no longer fits your budget, review your alternatives before closing the account. Closing a credit account can affect your credit profile because it may change your available credit and account history. Consider contacting Arro support first to ask about your available options. You should also check whether another card or credit building product matches your current goal better. Someone trying to build credit may value different features than someone focused on rewards, spending flexibility, or lowering costs. The fastest way to confirm what changed is simple. Open your Arro account, review your fee disclosure, check recent messages or emails, and compare the new terms with your original agreement. The main points are that annual fee changes are account-specific, the official notice is the source to trust, and the right decision depends on whether the card's current value matches the cost. Your next step is to review your latest Arro card terms before your next billing cycle so you know exactly what you're paying for. If this helped you understand the change, like the video, and subscribe for more credit card updates and comparisons.